mean, what I think is really amazing for me as an experience of having been to Klezmer for such a long time is that, I mean, especially when it comes to the musicians, that I feel like the premise of Klezmer, the idea behind Klezmer has really, really come to fruition, which is amazing, you know, because all of a sudden, not all of a sudden, over the years, people that I met as children are professional musicians who support themselves through music that is in various ways informed by Klezmer, that they have, you know, taken and moved into the 21st century, and that Klezmer is has become a reference, you know, that you can read. Madonna has made a new album with elements of hip hop, rap, and Klezmer. It's like, oh, you know, I forgot who said it, but that's coming a long way from David Letterman going Klezmer, Klezmer, you know.